All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to nothing because there is no song of the day. Just go listen to that new Lil Uzi Vert album, Pluto x Baby Pluto. And you know, Uzi never misses. Future, one of the best rappers of like the last 10 years. So you know, when they come together, they just make an amazing album. Go listen to it. I listened to it once. I really don't have a favorite song yet. I still have to listen to it like a couple more times, but amazing album. And yeah, let's actually get into the pair of shoes. All right, so obviously we're going to be taking a look at a pair of Air Max 90s. You guys could probably tell by the color of the box what colorway it is. I got a size 9.5. I usually like to go a half size bigger on Air Max 90s just because I don't really like a snug feel. So that's why I do go half size bigger. Retail is $120 on these, but I actually got these on sale on the Nike app, and they were on sale for around $100. Then I was actually able to get a 20% off discount code because I am a student, so I got these for $80, and for $80, man, that's a steal. I really like these. Let me pull these out, and there's actually something in here. I'm not sure what this is. Here, you guys could probably read all that. It's probably something you should put in the shoe for more comfortability. Not sure. I'm not going to be reading all that, to be 100% honest. Also, you guys could read that. There you go. And let's actually take these out. I haven't seen these yet because I actually just got them in the mail yesterday, and I can already, these were like really tight in the box. Pause. But like, I can already tell like these are really clean. Put this back on top. And wait, brother, y'all see this? Why is it fucking bent like that? Like flat. Bro. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's like that. It must have gotten really messed up during shipping. That's kind of crazy. Like, y'all see this? Yeah, let me try and pop it back out. I'm sure it'll be fine. See, look, it's already looking better. Okay, it's not that big of a deal because of the materials, but I just wasn't expecting that. And man, these are clean. Let me spin these around for you guys. Comes with that nice hang tag, Nike Air. Pretty cool. I don't personally wear it with that, but you know, it is something that it comes with. And here, let me show you guys the shoe by itself. Nike Air on the back. Air bubble. Just a really clean shoe, man. Bro, I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like this shoe was definitely like a display shoe or something, because it definitely looks like it's been like tried on at least a couple times. That's kind of disappointing. Okay, I didn't, you know, I do these unboxings live. Like I don't really see the shoe before, so I guess that's something that happens. Nike Air on the inside, and I don't know if you guys can really tell, but this is definitely gonna come off really easily. Like, I bet I could probably peel it off. Not like how it is on like Jordans and stuff where it comes off like, it usually takes like 1 or 2 wears, or maybe like 5 wears. This will definitely come off with 1 wear. I don't know why it's like really, it's not like as good a quality as it is on like Jordans and stuff. But yeah, that's definitely gonna come off. Material wise, it's really good. You know, it's an Air Max 90. Obviously, they're comfortable. I really love this like mesh material right here, and it's just an awesome shoe, man. They have like a little like suede-ish material. Not really sure. I don't know if it's suede or nubuck. Can't really tell, but it's like that on the swoosh as well. Nice leather. Nothing crazy. It's okay. It's soft. Just a really good shoe, man. Let me spin these around for you guys a little bit more. Here, I don't wear it with the hang tag, so I'm gonna just put it on the side. Here, if you guys want to see like the squish shoe. Really dope. I'm really happy I was able to pick these up, and for $70, not 70, $80, you know, you can't go wrong with these. And you know, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.